Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are cooking this delicious, affordable Nigerian fried rice. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Added some butter into the pan and I go ahead and add some vegetable oil and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added my rice. I already washed the rice off camera, alright? And I go ahead and toast it. I'm toasting it on the low heat, alright? Once I add the rice, I started stirring everything together, alright? The reason why for toasting is just that it's going to help the rice from sticking together when the rice is done, and also to add more flavor into the rice, and also to prevent the fried rice from going bad easily. Alright, just keep stirring the rice together on a low heat. This 5 minutes later, the rice is perfectly toasted. I went ahead and had some chicken stock, a little bit of water also, and I had some salt to taste. I give everything a quick stir, cover the pot and allow the rice to cook until it's completely done. At this stage, the rice is perfectly cooked. I'll go ahead and fluff it around and set it aside. As you guys can see, the rice does not stick together. That is the power of toasting. Try and toast your rice before you cook your fried rice, alright? In another pan, I'll go ahead and add some oil and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I'll go ahead and fry the egg. I just add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper into the egg and I'll allow it to fry until it's completely done. The egg is perfectly fried. I will go ahead and remove it from the pan and set it aside. Added more oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once again, I go ahead and add my green peas. I have a video on how I preserve green peas. I will leave it up here. If you're interested, you can check it out. I added some carrots and I give it a quick stir. And I go ahead and add some onion. Continue to fry it until all the waters dries out. At this point, the veggies are well fried. I'll go ahead and add all my spices. I'm making use of curry powder, thyme, oregano, a little bit of seasoning powder, and some salt to taste. And I'm making use of pepper flakes as well. That is optional, alright? If you don't want, you can just skip it. I'll give everything a quick stir again for about 30 seconds just to infuse all the spices into the veggies. Added all the rice and I'm going to go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. If you are making a lot, you can just fry the rice batch by batch, alright? But this is not a lot. I can handle it at once, alright? Once I add the rice, I keep stirring together until they are well combined, alright? And I'm doing this on a low heat so it doesn't burn. I've been stir-frying the rice for almost 3 minutes now and everything is looking so good already. At this stage, I'm going to go ahead and place the cover on it and just allow it to fry on a very low heat. Our rice is looking so good already, but we are not done yet. I added some light soya sauce and I go ahead and add the fried egg and I add some spring onion as well. I stir fry it again for about a minute or so and that is it, guys. You guys, this turned out so delicious. The day I filmed this video, we are at home on that particular day and we are hungry and your girl is broke that day. So I just walk around my kitchen, put everything together and everything turned out so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.